Understanding machine repair in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a very practical and interesting English phrase, machine repair. Whether you're an English language learner working in a technical field or just curious about everyday English, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively. Let's dive into the world of machines and repairs. Machine repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring a machine that is not functioning correctly or has broken down. The term machine can refer to anything from a small household appliance to a large industrial piece of equipment. Repair involves diagnosing the problem, replacing or fixing damaged parts, and ensuring the machine is back in working order. This term is common in both professional and everyday contexts. In this section, we will explore different contexts where machine repair is used. 1. Industrial setting. Here, it might refer to the maintenance of heavy machinery. 2. Household context. In a home setting, this could mean fixing appliances like washing machines or microwaves. 3. Automotive repair. This involves repairing vehicles, which are also a type of machine. Understanding related terms can enhance your comprehension. Maintenance. Regular upkeep to prevent damage. Technician. A person skilled in machine repair. Troubleshooting. The process of diagnosing the cause of a malfunction. Let's see some examples in sentences. I called a technician for the machine repair of our dishwasher. Learning about machine repair can be very useful for everyday life. Don't confuse repair with replace. Repair means to fix, while replace means to completely substitute something. The plural form is used as machine repairs when referring to multiple instances of repair work. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase machine repair and its use in various contexts. Remember, learning English involves understanding phrases in different settings. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more comfortable with these technical terms. See you in the next video.